Yo, what's up guys? It's Lionel the Builder back again with another video, and today I wanted to talk about the way that my brain has shifted from the time that I started in software engineering until now, from the time I first had the dream and where I visually envisioned myself being in the future, and how much it's different now. Because it really is. I noticed this today that there is a bit of a difference. It's a big difference, a bit of some day in the life stuff. Man, I had like 4 meetings today. I was cooked, bro. It was just meeting after meeting after meeting. Didn't even write any code today, not yet, and haven't really done a lot of that this week. It's been more so like planning. So let me dive right in. Let me dive right in to tell you guys, because I'm starting to preview it. And basically what I'm trying to say is that if you go back a year from now, right, and you ask me what is my dream and what do I think is cool, what do I like respect, and where do I want to be in the future, which it's actually not even that long ago. I said, what, I'm 8 months in now, right? And I've always told you guys, my followers actually know that I always update my opinions as they change. You know what I mean? Every single time I'll update my opinion when it changes. And basically, one thing that I noticed has changed. It's my long roundabout way of saying, like, I would have said, I want to be a wizard with the code. I want to be the dopest developer. I want to be the sickest engineer. I want to be able to solve the most complex algorithm. And I just want to level up and just learn as much as I can and just be as dope as I can at that, so that I could build anything that I can imagine, right? How many times have y'all heard me say that? I want to be able to build anything that I can imagine, right? And I thought that it was going to be a one-man band, right? And that I was going to use my skills and just get super ill, which I still am. Don't get it twisted. I still am. But I am saying that as well, that one man can't build it all. Is what I'm learning, is that it takes more than one man. No matter how dope you are, you're still going to be another piece of the puzzle. And what is more valuable, what is more important, is your ability to manage your team, to communicate, to plan, to know system design, to know requirements, to know the ins and outs of all the different things, and to be super experienced in all of the different problems that you will have to solve and all of the different things that may come up, and to have the resilience and the patience to break through them no matter what, and that also, like, it's gonna take me a long time to catch up with the greats, you know what I mean? But where I may be able to catch up now would be willpower, right? Willpower, persistence, knowledge and planning and design and communication, and the huddle up as well. And then organization, keeping track of everything, and doubling back and being able to communicate problems and see problems before they arrive as well, right? There's so many different skills that it's interesting too, because these are the things that I honestly think I might enjoy more so than writing code. When you think about like debugging and stuff like that, honestly, it's really not that enjoyable, is it? Like, how enjoyable is that, except for the final, excitement of when you solve a problem, and also when you get to see what you build, right? Those are I would say are the 2 dopest things. When you're stuck on something and then you figure out the solution and you get to move forward, and then also being able to see and like go click at and play with and show off to other people, and of course solving your clients' issues as well is always going to be important, right? So there's all of that, which does matter, but at the same time, you will get there faster with a team, with you as the like captain of the ship. And what does that make a person, right? Like, does that make you a lead? Is that what a lead developer is? Drop a comment if I'm wrong, people who have more experience than me out there. you know, or is a lead developer more so the one who can like write code and the fastest, clear codes the fastest, help the juniors get past their hurdles when they're stuck on stuff, lead the huddle up, you know? There's so many different things when it comes to software development in general. Web development, software engineering, full stack development, being a software engineer, being a builder, digital builder overall, that are aside from writing code. And in the beginning, I think that, do we focus a little bit too much on the ability to code is another honest question to ask, especially as ChatGPT gets even more ChatGPT. These, Claudes and such start to come out and everything's just getting better. So some of those clickbaits might be onto something, I think, is what I'm getting at here. When they say, should I learn to code in 2024? Not for the reason that we think, right? Before, we think that the reason is so that because AI might take our job. But now I'm thinking just to save yourself some time, right? To save yourself time, still build, still make a name for yourself as a builder, right? Still, grow your personal brand, still build cool things, still learn to code, still work on your skills, of course. But I don't know if you need to dive as deep as we think that we do, or definitely not as much as our forefathers used to. I'm not trying to promote, not knowing your stuff. Don't get it twisted, okay? But I'm just saying, still be aware that time is your most valuable asset, and productivity, what you have built, is your most valuable badge or whatever, right? More so than how beautiful your code is, more so how many elite problems you can solve, more so, what I'm saying, what you have built, your track record, your network, your ability to produce things, to huddle up and to be the person moving things forward, communicating, growing a network. All of these things should be just as important, if not more so, as at this day and age, at this time, with this crazy market that we're dealing with, where who is super important, and how in your brand, as far as opportunities go, with the layoffs and at least the current part of the cycle, you're supposed to get to know recruiters, right? And of course have some sort of and this is mostly, I'm talking to freelancers, mostly talking to freelancers, people trying to break in. If you're established, you already have your network, right? And you have the resume with the proven track record as well. So I'm thinking that this video, while I am freestyling, is also I believe it's going to be more so for the juniors. Okay. Not so sure about the title, but I just wanted to hop up here real quick and make a video and just, talk a little bit about how my perspective has changed a little bit. There's a lot going on that we're working on right now. As always, I'm going to make another video here pretty soon, updating you guys on all of that. But shout out to you if you made it this far. Shout out to the builders. If you're not a member, please please share, please subscribe, please click the Discord, join the Discord, and say what's up to everybody. We've got gigs in there now. There's a channel added to where we are posting real positions that are available. So hop in, check them out. We're also building, as always. And I'm Lionel the Builder. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.